Round 20, 1 single crochet, next 6. Then 2 half double crochet together 4 times. 2 half double crochet together, second time, third time, fourth time. Then 1 single crochet, next 4. Round 21, 1 single crochet, next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 increase, 2 single crochet, same stitch. Then 2 half double crochet together 4 times. Second time, third time, fourth time. Then 1 increase, last stitch, 2 single crochet, same stitch. Round 22, 1 single crochet, next 4. Then 1 increase, 2 single crochet, same stitch. Then 1 half double crochet, next 5. 1 half double crochet, next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 single crochet, 1 increase, last stitch, 2 single crochet, same stitch. Round 23, 1 single crochet, next 5. Then 1 increase. Then 1 single crochet, next 7. then 1 increase last stitch. Round 24, 1 single crochet each stitch. Round 25, 1 single crochet next 6. Then 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together. Repeat pattern again, 1 single crochet next 6. Then 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together. Round 26, 1 single crochet each stitch. Round 27, 1 single crochet next 7, touching both sides. Chain 4, start in second chain. First 2 half double crochet, second chain, 2 half double crochet, next chain, 2 half double crochet, last chain. Chain 1, turn, row 2, 2 half double crochet, first stitch, 1 half double crochet, next 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, turn, row 3, 6 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 half double crochet, last stitch. Chain 1, turn, row 4, 1 half double crochet, next 7. Then 2 half double crochet, last stitch. chain 1, turn, row 5, 1 half double crochet, next 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 2 half double crochet together. Chain 1, turn, row 6, 1 half double crochet, next 8. Chain 1, turn, row 7, 1 half double crochet, next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2 half double crochet together. 2 half double crochet together. Chain 1, turn, row 8, first 2 half double crochet together, then 1 half double crochet, next 5. Chain 1, turn, row 9, 1 half double crochet, next 4. Then 2 half double crochet together. Chain 1, turn, row 10, first 2 half double crochet together, then 1 half double crochet, next 3. Chain 1, turn, row 11, 1 half double crochet, next 2. Then 2 half double crochet together. Chain 1, turn, row 12, 1 half double crochet, next 3. Chain 1, turn, row 13, 1 half double crochet, next 3. Chain 1, turn, row 14, 3 half double crochet together. Three half double crochet together. Then 1 single crochet each stitch around. Body part, then head part, join 1, 2, 3, 4, round 4, like this. 4 slip stitch lines in wings. I'm using black color.